Should you use salt as a toothpaste replacement? Salt does have some benefits for your oral health. We'll occasionally suggest using a mild saltwater solution to ease the pain of canker sores or other oral wounds. Other than that, it is better to use a dentist-approved toothpaste for your everyday oral hygiene routine. Watch out for enamel abrasion. Salt can help to whiten your teeth. The tiny crystals have naturally abrasive qualities. As you rub the salt across your teeth with your brush, it scrapes away surface stains and tartar. The problem is that this abrasive effect can be too strong. Tooth enamel is susceptible to damage if you aggressively rub salt across the surface. Enamel abrasion sets you up for future dental problems because removing the top surface of your teeth exposes the underlying dentin. The dentin lacks the strength of the outer enamel. This means that you'll experience greater tooth sensitivity, which may make it hard to enjoy hot or cold food or drinks. The dentin is also yellower than the enamel. If you have enamel abrasion, your teeth will always look yellow. Consider the lack of fluoride. If you use salt for toothpaste, then you might not be getting enough fluoride on your teeth. We generally recommend brushing your teeth at least twice a day with a toothpaste that contains fluoride. Choose safer whitening treatments. If you've already used salt, don't worry. Most likely, you didn't do major damage if it was only 1 or 2 times. If there is some enamel abrasion, we can help you choose the best restoration to stop tooth sensitivity. We also offer safe options to make your teeth whiter. Professional whitening treatments are designed to lift stains without damaging your teeth. You'll also see a noticeable improvement in the color of your teeth after your first treatment. You can even choose from in-office or at-home treatments that come with your dentist's approval. Making a commitment to brush and floss regularly with a safe and gentle toothpaste will help you to achieve the goal of a prettier smile. If you still have concerns about how white your teeth are, schedule an appointment. Getting a professional cleaning or teeth whitening service will improve your smile while protecting your oral health. Noble Dental Care has been practicing award-winning dentistry in Tempe for over 30 years. We'd love to add you to our roster of happy patients.